Today we're gonna make crying tiger beef or เสือร้องไห้ It has nothing to do with a tiger. It's a Thai-style marinade beef steak that always served with spicy dipping sauce or น้ำจิ้มแจ่ว I'm confident you'll love it. สวัสดีค่ะ It's Pam and lovely to have you back here on Tiger in the Kitchen channel. Welcome if you're here for the first time and as usual, let's jump into it. We only need 6 ingredients for this recipe, and these are pretty much simple ones in Asian cuisines. For the beef, we are using brisket, which in Thailand we just call this part เสือร้องไห้ because it's widely used for this menu. But actually, this marinade works totally well with any part, so feel free. And next, we need the light soy sauce. Seasoning powder for umami flavor. You can use Maggi as a substitute if you don't have. Oyster sauce, any brand you like. Vegetable oil. And palm sugar. This is commonly used in Thailand. It's soft and the texture is like the paste. But if you have the hard type like this, thinly slice before using to make it dissolve easily. And a mixing bowl. And alright, let's do it. Just in case you're wondering what these are for, it's a wild plant I picked just for the decoration. Starting with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Quarter tablespoon seasoning powder. If you're using Maggi, go for a half tablespoon. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. And a half tablespoon palm sugar. Actually, if you don't have palm sugar, you can use brown or cane sugar instead, but I still do recommend palm sugar for the depth of the taste. It's just more mellow. Before adding the vegetable oil, mix them up until the sugar melts first, so you can taste and adjust if you want it a little saltier or a little sweeter. I'm making for myself and my hubby, so I'll just use finger. If you're cooking for someone else, just use another spoon, alright? Lastly, put a half tablespoon vegetable oil. It helps making the beef more tender. And give it another stir. Then here comes the beef. I'm using only 350 grams for this meal because we also have sausages and other marinade for chicken and pork belly, which I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out later. And the link is just for the marinade recipe though, because sausages were just from the store. We're gonna keep massaging until the marinade sauce is absorbed. Just go to town with it. The more massage, the more flavor. Wrap it up and marinate in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. I left it for roughly an hour, very flavorful because we already massaged and pushed all the seasonings into the beef. So if you don't have so much time, this marinade is a good friend. And for the spicy dipping sauce to go with, you can check out the link below. Alright, let's jump into the favorite time, barbecue. You can do the pan grill as well. I do that when I only want to make crying tiger beef and nothing else because it takes a very short time to cook. And cook to whatever point you like, but if asking what do I recommend, I'd say between medium rare to medium well is perfect for this menu. And for the time, depending on how thick your beef is. If I cook on the pan, which is easier to control the heat, it took about a minute-ish on each side with high heat because they're thin cut. And once it's done, we're not gonna cut the meat right away. Rest them on a cutting board for about 5 to 10 minutes to allow it to reabsorb and distribute the juices that have been constricted during the cooking process. If you cut right away, the juice will just pool out and leaves you the dry beef. And here we go, just exactly what I want. I hope you like it and try this recipe soon, and I'd be very happy to see the feedback from you. If you like this video, let me know by hitting the thumb up. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you relaxed and lovely days. See you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ